Invisible repair, darning, and embroidery. Let's fix sweater holes together. When the yarn breaks, the stitches can easily unravel, but don't throw it away. It can definitely be repaired. First, pick up the dropped stitches with a crochet hook to restore the original knit pattern. Use a needle to even them out, especially with sticky yarns. Then, secure the broken yarn with embroidery thread. The sweater is now fixed. With matching thread, it looks like it was never damaged. For this darning repair, work on a firm surface placed directly under the sweater to make stitching easier. A small jar works well for this. Thread a needle and weave back and forth between the sweater yarns to create horizontal rows. Along the torn edges, anchor the thread into the loose yarn to reinforce the area. Next, weave vertical rows using the same over and under method to rebuild the knit. Since this is a visible repair, contrasting thread colors can be used for a decorative, artistic look. Finally, weave in all loose ends on the inside. And following the same pattern as the front for a clean and secure finish. The hole is now repaired using the darning technique. And finally, turn a hole into a design detail with basic embroidery stitches. Start by outlining the hole with a backstitch. This helps define the shape and prevents further fraying. Once the edge is secured, fill the area using a blanket stitch to create a new fabric surface and cover the hole. Work slowly and keep the stitches even for a clean finish. This is a visible repair, so contrasting thread can turn the damage into a decorative detail. And that's it for today. We've looked at 3 ways to fix holes in knitted sweaters: invisible repair, darning, and embroidery. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for sewing along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more hand sewing and clothing repair ideas. See you in the next video.